Now, let's talk about the emotions or the emotional states that's needed, that's required, both for your prospects as well as for yourself. Now, as for your prospects, you cannot lecturing down on them. You cannot lecture down on them. You cannot force them to buy. Because once you get on your high horse, on your soapbox, and starts to lecture down on them, they will feel nothing but resentment. Okay? In their hearts, they be like, who give you the right to be so condescending toward me? You cannot be using your logic, your facts on them. You have to use their facts, their logic, and their feelings about their facts and their logic on them. All right? It's how they view things, the facts that's available to them. What is facts to them, not what is facts to you. Not what is logical to you, but what is logical to them. And get them into the feeling of they need this thing and they're willing to pay for it. People buy from people they like. So if you either intentionally or accidentally make them feel you don't care about their problems, their pain, and their suffering, they will just not like you. But if you intentionally or accidentally make them feel you understand their pain, you understand their suffering, then they are going to like you and they will buy from you. And as for you, you need to show certainty. And you will be able to show certainty if you feel the pain and then you strongly believe, genuinely believe your product, your service will remove their pain for them. This cannot be faked. If you're faking it, you will come across as incongruent and they will sense it and they won't buy it from you. There's so many subtle cues from your tonality, your facial expression, your body language, your body posture. Those things cannot be faked. Okay, it could be faked, okay? It could be faked by a professional, by an actor, by a CIA-trained spy. But are you an actor? Are you a CIA-trained spy? Most likely you're not. But you don't know how to fake being sincere. You won't be able to fake out of being sincere, and your only option is to be sincere, to be real, okay? To come across as congruent, to feel congruent deep down inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this way, when I release new educational videos, you will be notified and you will be the first to learn. And also, make sure you send this video to as many people as possible so we can all learn and grow together and help each other to grow together. We're in this together. And if you need private coaching, business consulting, or training, feel free to contact me. And my contact details are linked below.